Every country invents things. Some inventions change industries, some change technology, and some completely transform the way people live. But the most successful inventions are often not the biggest or the most expensive. They are the ones that quietly remove everyday frustrations. They solve problems that millions of people experience so often that they eventually stop noticing them. The long commute, the uncomfortable bathroom, the wasted space inside a home, the difficult meal preparation, or the simple inconvenience of carrying out daily tasks can all become accepted as normal. Yet, Japan has spent decades proving that many of these problems do not have to exist at all. What makes Japanese inventions especially fascinating is that they rarely focus only on technology. Instead, they focus on people. Japanese designers, engineers, and companies often begin with a very simple question: how can everyday life become easier? That question has produced some of the most practical inventions in modern history. Some are highly advanced and rely on cutting-edge engineering, while others are surprisingly simple ideas that immediately make people wonder why nobody thought of them earlier. Many of these inventions were created specifically to solve problems inside Japan. Limited space, crowded cities, long working hours, and an aging population encouraged inventors to develop practical solutions that improved comfort and efficiency. Yet these ideas often prove useful far beyond Japan itself. Millions of people around the world now benefit from Japanese inventions without even realizing where they came from. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Number 1. The smart toilet. Few inventions surprise visitors to Japan more than the country's famous smart toilets. Many people initially laugh when they hear about them, assuming they are unnecessary luxuries designed only for wealthy households. However, after using one for the first time, many quickly change their minds. Japanese smart toilets were designed around comfort, cleanliness, and hygiene. Heated seats make winter mornings significantly more comfortable, especially in homes where temperatures can become quite cold. Built-in washing systems provide adjustable streams of warm water that improve personal hygiene while reducing the need for large amounts of toilet paper. Many models also include warm air dryers, deodorizing systems, automatic lids, and self-cleaning functions. What makes these toilets especially impressive is that they are not limited to luxury hotels or expensive homes. They appear throughout Japan in shopping centers, airports, restaurants, offices, train stations, and public facilities. The idea that everyone deserves a comfortable and hygienic restroom experience became deeply embedded within Japanese design philosophy. Visitors often realize that ordinary toilets have remained largely unchanged for decades, while Japan continued improving something that most countries simply accepted. The invention succeeds because it addresses a daily activity that every person experiences. Small improvements made to something used every day can have a surprisingly large impact on overall quality of life. After experiencing these toilets, many travelers return home wondering why the rest of the world still considers such features unusual. Number 2. The rice cooker. Cooking rice may appear simple, but anyone who has prepared it regularly knows that achieving perfect results consistently can sometimes be difficult. Rice can burn, become too soft, remain undercooked, or require constant attention. Japanese inventors solved this problem with one remarkably practical appliance. The modern rice cooker transformed kitchens by automating the entire process. By combining carefully controlled temperatures with automatic shutoff systems, rice cookers allow people to prepare rice perfectly with minimal effort. Users simply add rice and water, press a button, and wait. This invention became especially important in Japan because rice plays such an important role in everyday meals. Families needed a reliable method that saved time while producing consistent results. Over time, rice cookers became increasingly sophisticated. Modern versions include timers, warming functions, different cooking settings, and the ability to prepare other foods such as soups, steamed vegetables, porridge, and cakes. Many households rely on them daily. The true success of the rice cooker lies in its simplicity. It removes uncertainty and saves valuable time. People no longer need to watch the stove constantly or worry about ruining an important part of the meal. Many kitchens around the world now include rice cookers because the invention solves a universal problem. It demonstrates how a relatively small appliance can dramatically improve everyday life simply by making a common task easier and more reliable. Number 3. The Walkman. When Sony introduced the Walkman in 1979, the company changed not only the music industry but also daily life itself. Before portable music players, listening to music was often a shared experience that happened at home through radios or stereo systems. Music remained tied to specific locations. The Walkman changed that relationship completely. For the first time, people could carry their favorite music with them while walking, traveling, commuting, or exercising. Music became personal. Individuals could create their own private listening experiences while moving through public spaces. This invention may seem ordinary today because modern smartphones perform similar functions, but at the time it was revolutionary. The ability to listen to music anywhere changed how people spent their time. Long commutes became more enjoyable. Travel became less boring. Exercise became more motivating. The Walkman also influenced countless products that followed, including portable CD players, MP3 players, and eventually smartphones and streaming services. Its greatest achievement was not the technology itself. Rather, it changed the role music played in people's lives. Suddenly, every person could carry a soundtrack for their daily activities. Millions of people around the world experienced music differently because of this invention, making the Walkman one of Japan's most important contributions to modern culture. Number 4. The Shinkansen bullet train. Transportation affects nearly every aspect of daily life, and few inventions have improved transportation as dramatically as Japan's famous bullet train. Introduced in 1964, the Shinkansen demonstrated that high-speed rail could be fast, safe, comfortable, and remarkably reliable. The trains connected major cities while dramatically reducing travel times. Business trips became easier, tourism increased, and long-distance travel became far less stressful. What makes the bullet train especially impressive is not only its speed but also its reliability. Delays are often measured in seconds rather than minutes. This level of punctuality allows people to organize their schedules with confidence. The trains themselves provide comfortable seating, smooth rides, and efficient station systems. Passengers can work, relax, eat, or simply enjoy the journey. The success of the Shinkansen inspired high-speed rail projects throughout the world. Countries began recognizing that efficient public transportation could reduce traffic congestion, decrease dependence on airplanes, and improve mobility. The bullet train proves that transportation can become more than simply moving people from one location to another. It can save time, reduce stress, and improve quality of life. For many visitors, riding the Shinkansen immediately changes expectations about what public transportation should be. Number 5. Instant noodles. Sometimes the inventions that change the world are surprisingly simple. In 1958, Momofuku Ando introduced instant noodles, creating one of the most successful food inventions in modern history. His goal was straightforward: provide affordable, convenient food that people could prepare quickly. The result transformed eating habits around the globe. Instant noodles became especially valuable for students, workers, travelers, and families seeking inexpensive meals. Preparation required only hot water and a few minutes of waiting. The invention proved particularly useful during emergencies, natural disasters, and economic difficulties because it provided affordable food with a long shelf life. Today, billions of servings are consumed every year throughout the world. While instant noodles may appear humble compared to advanced technology, they demonstrate the importance of solving basic human needs. People need meals that are affordable, accessible, and convenient. Ando believed that peace would come when people had enough food to eat. His invention helped make that goal slightly more achievable. The success of instant noodles reminds us that inventions do not need to be complicated to improve millions of lives. Sometimes the simplest ideas have the greatest impact. Number 6. Heated floor systems. Many heating systems warm the air inside a room while leaving floors cold and uncomfortable. Japan developed heating methods that work differently. Heated floors create warmth from below, allowing heat to rise naturally throughout the room. This produces a much more comfortable environment, especially during winter. Walking barefoot becomes pleasant instead of uncomfortable. Families can sit on the floor comfortably. Rooms often feel warmer even at lower temperatures. Traditional Japanese heating methods helped inspire modern systems that now appear in homes around the world. The appeal of heated floors lies in their ability to improve comfort in subtle but meaningful ways. Warm feet often make the entire body feel warmer. The heat distribution remains more even than many conventional systems. As energy efficiency becomes increasingly important, heated floors continue gaining popularity. Few people experience warm floors for the first time without immediately understanding their appeal. Sometimes improving daily life begins with something as simple as changing where the heat comes from. Number 7. Capsule hotels. When Japanese cities became increasingly crowded and expensive, inventors developed an entirely new approach to accommodation. Capsule hotels provide compact sleeping spaces designed to maximize efficiency while reducing costs. Instead of paying for large hotel rooms, travelers receive comfortable sleeping pods equipped with essential features. Business travelers, commuters, and tourists quickly embraced the concept. These hotels solve several problems simultaneously. They reduce costs, save valuable urban space, and provide convenient accommodation in crowded cities. The design may initially appear unusual, but many visitors discover that they need far less space than traditional hotel rooms provide. Capsule hotels represent Japanese efficiency at its best. Instead of providing unnecessary space, they focus on delivering exactly what travelers need. The idea has since spread to other countries, demonstrating that creative solutions can emerge from limited resources. Number 8. Vending machines. Japan transformed vending machines into one of the most convenient retail systems in the world. Rather than selling only soft drinks, Japanese vending machines offer coffee, tea, soup, snacks, umbrellas, batteries, masks, and numerous everyday products. They appear almost everywhere, including train stations, office buildings, residential neighborhoods, and rural roads. The machines provide convenience at all hours, allowing people to purchase essential items quickly. Their success also reflects high levels of public trust and safety, allowing machines to operate in locations where they might be vulnerable elsewhere. These machines save time and provide solutions to small, everyday needs, and sometimes that is exactly what good inventions do. Number 9. The kotatsu. Few Japanese inventions demonstrate the country's ability to combine comfort, practicality, and energy efficiency better than the kotatsu. At first glance, it appears to be an ordinary low table covered with a blanket. Hidden underneath, however, is a heating element that transforms the entire table into one of the most comfortable places inside a home during winter. The concept is surprisingly simple. Rather than heating an entire room, the kotatsu concentrates warmth exactly where people spend their time. Family members sit around the table with their legs underneath the blanket, allowing the heat to remain trapped inside. The result is an incredibly cozy environment that uses far less energy than heating large spaces. The kotatsu also changes the way families interact. Meals, conversations, reading, homework, and relaxation often take place around the table. During cold weather, it naturally becomes the center of the home. Instead of retreating to separate rooms, people gather together. Many visitors who experience a kotatsu for the first time are surprised by how effective such a simple invention can be. There are no complicated controls or advanced technologies involved. It simply solves a problem in an intelligent way. At a time when energy costs continue to rise and people search for more efficient heating solutions, the kotatsu demonstrates that comfort does not always require heating an entire house. Sometimes a small, thoughtful invention can create warmth, save money, and bring people together at the same time. Number 10. Electronic calculators. Today, calculators exist on every smartphone, computer, and tablet, making it easy to forget how revolutionary electronic calculators once were. Japanese companies played a major role in developing these devices and making them affordable enough for widespread use. Before electronic calculators became common, complicated calculations required significant time and effort. Businesses relied on mechanical machines, engineers performed lengthy calculations manually, and students often spent considerable time solving problems by hand. Electronic calculators changed everything. Suddenly, mathematical problems that once required several minutes could be solved within seconds. Businesses became more efficient, students gained valuable learning tools, and scientific work accelerated. The ability to perform accurate calculations instantly improved productivity in countless industries. Japanese companies focused on making calculators smaller, faster, and more affordable. Over time, these devices became essential tools in schools, offices, and homes throughout the world. Although modern technology has largely replaced dedicated calculators for everyday users, the invention itself had an enormous impact. It demonstrated how portable technology could save time and reduce human error. Number 11. Portable game consoles. Entertainment changed dramatically when Japanese companies introduced portable gaming devices. Before handheld consoles became popular, video games were largely limited to arcades or home systems connected to televisions. Everything changed with devices such as the Game Boy. Suddenly, people could play games while traveling, waiting, commuting, or relaxing outside their homes. Long journeys became more enjoyable and entertainment became truly portable. Japanese companies understood something important. People do not always want entertainment in one fixed location. They want flexibility. Portable gaming systems created entirely new experiences. Children played games during family trips. Adults enjoyed entertainment during commutes. Friends connected through multiplayer experiences. The success of these devices eventually influenced smartphones, mobile gaming, and countless portable entertainment products. More importantly, handheld consoles changed how people thought about free time. Small moments throughout the day suddenly became opportunities for entertainment. Number 12. Automated parking systems. Large cities face a common problem. Space is limited, but cars require enormous amounts of it. Japanese engineers responded to this challenge by developing automated parking systems that use vertical space instead of valuable land. These systems allow drivers to leave their vehicles on a platform, while machines automatically transport the cars into storage towers. Vehicles are parked efficiently without requiring large parking lots or multiple floors of ramps. The benefits are significant. Cities save valuable land. Drivers avoid the frustration of searching for parking spaces. Buildings can use smaller areas for parking while accommodating more vehicles. In crowded Japanese cities, every square meter matters. Automated parking systems demonstrate how engineering can solve urban problems creatively. As cities around the world continue growing and land becomes increasingly expensive, these systems may become more common internationally. Many people spend countless hours searching for parking every year. A system that eliminates this frustration immediately improves daily life. Number 13. Blue LED technology. For many years, scientists struggled to create efficient blue light-emitting diodes. Japanese researchers finally solved this challenge, making modern white LED lighting possible. LED bulbs consume far less electricity than traditional lighting while lasting significantly longer. Energy consumption has decreased, lighting costs have fallen, and devices have become more efficient. Unlike some inventions that receive immediate attention, blue LEDs improved everyday life quietly. People simply noticed that their light bulbs lasted longer and used less electricity. Sometimes the greatest inventions are not the most visible ones. They work silently in the background. Blue LED technology represents exactly that kind of innovation. Number 14. Convenience store services. Japanese convenience stores are not simply stores. They represent one of the most practical service systems ever developed. People can pay utility bills, print documents, purchase tickets, collect packages, withdraw money, send deliveries, and buy freshly prepared meals. Many locations remain open 24 hours a day. Instead of visiting several locations, people can complete multiple tasks during a single stop. Busy workers, students, and families all benefit from these services. The quality of food available inside Japanese convenience stores also surprises many visitors. Fresh meals, sandwiches, rice dishes, desserts, and snacks provide affordable options for people with busy schedules. The invention here is not a machine or device. It is a better system. For millions of people, these stores reduce stress, save time, and simplify everyday life. And perhaps that is why visitors often return home, wishing their own neighborhoods had something similar. Number 15. The philosophy of solving small problems. Perhaps Japan's greatest invention is not a product at all. It is a way of thinking. Many Japanese inventions begin with very small frustrations that other societies simply accept. Wet umbrellas dripping onto floors, cold toilet seats, crowded living spaces, long commutes, uncomfortable public facilities, limited storage. The important thing is that they focus on people. Many countries celebrate inventions that appear dramatic or futuristic. Japan often succeeds by improving ordinary experiences. And when enough small problems disappear, life itself becomes easier. That's it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates you won't want to miss.